Our final tutorial requires us to make some physical repairs. It seems that this circuit board is missing a whole row of components. How can we tell our agent to copy the row on its right and duplicate it on the left? Let's open the MakeCode tutorial and find out. When we open our tutorial, we see that most of our code is already here for us. But instead of a repeat loop, we are going to use a while loop. A while loop needs a condition so the agent knows whether to repeat a code or not, instead of repeating it a specific number of times. Right now, the code is telling the agent to inspect the block on its right, add that block to its inventory, place that same block to its left, and then move forward. But it needs a condition to know when to do it. For this condition, we are going to use the path in the middle of the circuit board to help us. It's made of cobblestone, and we only want the agent to run the program while it's on the cobblestone path. We need to compare what the agent inspects on the path to see if it is the same as cobblestone. Another way to say things are the same is to say they are equal. In the logic folder, there is a block that will compare things to see if they are equal. Let's grab that last block with the equal sign and place it in the condition of our while loop. Next, we want the agent to inspect the path below its feet to see if it's equal to cobblestone. We can get the agent inspect block from the agent folder and place it in the first space of our comparison. Again, the shapes match up. We want the agent to inspect the path, so let's have it inspect down. We need the agent to check if it's cobblestone. We can go into the blocks folder on the left and drag in the block value. From the dropdown, let's set it to cobblestone. Now, if the agent is standing on cobblestone, it will inspect the block to its right, add it to its inventory, and place it on the left. If not, the agent will stop. Time to run the code. Press play, open chat, and type our command, which is copy. You've just completed the entire tutorial. Time to code some games. Follow the captain back to the lobby, and you'll have a chance to do just that. We'll see you there.